Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are in coordinate geometry. We are reaching now question number 6. In this video we are going to learn, the question is here, if 1 2 4 y x 6 and 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So these values are not here. These values of x and y are not given, we have to find out, but questions is saying that these are the vertices of parallelogram, and we all know parallelograms is a quadrilateral which has all four sides equal. So we just draw a parallelogram, rough diagram is needed. Mark A, B, C, D are the four sides of this parallelogram. Four vertices we have marked. Points in order. So let us say A is 1 2, B is 4 y, and coordinate of C is x 6, and coordinate of D, that is 3 5. Now missing value for x and y we have to find out. What we know about rhombus? No, it is parallelogram. We know the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. So we have joined the diagonal, and then what we did, let us go with that. Let A B C D be a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram what we did, join the diagonals AC and BD. Then the property of diagonal of parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So we know that, let us write down the property first. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we see that diagram, they are bisecting at a point here. Suppose we mark the name O. So what will happen then? AO will be equal to OC and OB will be equal to OD. How many diagonals it has? Two diagonals. So we will work, suppose, for one diagonal. For the diagonal AC. So when we work for the diagonal AC, the first point, now you see this is the line joining the 2 points. We will use section formula, x1 y1 x2 y2, and then a point O is on this line. What will be the ratio? OA ratio OC will be, for this reason the diagonal bisect each other, that means that part OA ratio OC will be equal. Bisecting mean this is the midpoint, from there it is equal half. So ratio will be 1 ratio 1, and then for coordinate of the midpoint O. So coordinate of the midpoint O, then x is equal to what? x2 plus x1 by 2, that is x2, x1 y1 x2 y2, x plus 1 by 2. So we got, for the diagonal AC, the coordinate of, we could write here the coordinates of the point of O are, x is this. Now y will be equal to what? Let us see here. For the same diagonal we are working. So y will be y2 plus y1 by 2. What will be that? 6 plus 2 by 2, we get 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. So we worked for diagonal AC. Now one more diagonal we have, that is BD. We will work for BD. We write down just for the diagonal BD. What will be the ratio OB and OD? Ratio will be it is bisecting. The same thing is happening here. O will be the midpoint, so OB ratio OD will be also equal. So OB will ratio OD will be 1:1. Then coordinate of the midpoint, that midpoint is O for BD also. Therefore, the coordinate of the midpoint O are x equal to, same thing, x2 plus x1. So, x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 plus x1, that will be 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 7 by 2, and y will be equal to what? y2 plus y1. So, 5 plus y, 5 plus y by 2. Now, let us see for the diagonal. When we worked for AC, we have got x equal to x plus 1 by 2. For the diagonal BD, y equal to, again we got 4. For the diagonal BD we worked the same coordinate of the midpoint O. We got x equal to 7 by 2, y equal to 5 plus y by 2. So, this is for both, that is for midpoint O coordinate. Here x is x plus 1 by 2 and this is x equal to 7 by 2. So, we will just mark this equation like equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Equation 1 is for x, equation 3 is also for x. So, from equation 1 and 3, x is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and equation 3, x is equal to 7 by 2. So, 2 cone, we get here what? X plus 1 equal to 7, therefore, x will be equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So, coordinate of O for x axis value will be 6, alright, mean value of x is 6, and from equation 2 that is y equal to 4 and here equation 4. So, from equation 2 and 4 we get 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4, plus y by 2 is equal to 4. We do cross multiplication, what we get here? 5 plus y into 1, 5 plus y equal to 4 to the 8, therefore, y will be equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So, the value of x and y will be 6 and 3. So, it is simple work, only we need to know the properties of diagonals of parallelogram. The parallelogram, what is that? Diagonals bisect each other. So, this will be the midpoint. We go for the coordinate of the midpoint, we get value of x and y, and then which equations are giving us value of x, we simplify it and get x, and which equations are giving us value of y, we simplify and get the value of y. Hope you have understood. Let us go in question number 7. But before that, I would like to tell you that please subscribe the channel so that you will be getting one after another every lessons, every video, and it will be very helpful to you in order to prepare for your board exam. See you in next video then.